Hi everyone, my name is Melissa van Dijk and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a healthy skin-friendly DIY yogurt dip. Now this is a simple and nutritious alternative to ultra-processed sauces because ultra-processed sauces often contain added sugars, unhealthy fats and preservatives which can negatively impact your skin and overall health. And by making your own dip at home, you have the full control over the ingredients, keeping it fresh, natural and beneficial for your body. So before we get started, let's take a look at what you need. We are starting with 125 grams of natural sheep yogurt. Make sure it has a thick and rich consistency. Next, just a pinch of fine rock salt. It's better than sea salt to avoid microplastics. Then 1 teaspoon of organic garlic. This can be dried or fresh. And finally, a teaspoon of chives, fresh or dried, whatever you have. Just a few quick tips to make sure that the dip turns out perfectly before we jump right into the preparation. First of all, I recommend using sheep milk yogurt. It is more nutritious and often better tolerated than cow's milk yogurt. It also contains a lot more fat, between 5 to 7%, which gives it that creamier and thicker texture. And this is without anything added or even removed. It also offers some natural sweetness, which is great when preparing the dip, so it offers already some great flavor and you do not need to add any extra refined sugar. Plus, due to the thicker consistency, the dip sticks much better to the food when you're dipping. When you're preparing and storing a yogurt dip, it's best to use clean glass or ceramic bowls. They're non-reactive, which means they won't mess with the taste or texture of your yogurt the way metal bowls sometimes can. They also won't leach any harmful substances into your food. And let's be honest, they just look way nicer too. And one more tip. It's best to prepare your yogurt dip the day before you want to eat it. That way the flavors have enough time to develop and it makes it so much more delicious. Alright, and now let's get started with the yogurt dip. First, take about 125 grams of sheep yogurt and pour it into a glass or ceramic bowl. Then add about 0.7 to 1 gram of fine rock salt. Next, add 1 teaspoon of garlic. I'm using organic dried garlic flakes today. After that, add about 1 teaspoon of chives, either fresh or dried. Now, mix everything well until it's nicely combined. And finally, cover the bowl with a plastic wrap, a small plate or a lid, and place it in the fridge. Let it chill and give those flavors some time to come together. The longer it rests, the better it will taste. Alright, now that the dip is ready and the flavors have had time to develop, you can add a bit of your DIY yogurt dip into a small glass or ceramic bowl and pair it with your favorite healthy meal, like meatballs. Honestly, it fits with almost everything and I'll eat it nearly every day. And if you're looking for great ideas to what to pair it with, I've got plenty of healthy skin-friendly recipes on my channel, such as burgers, cevapcici cheese, potatoes and so much more, and I'll link them right here. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with someone who loves dips too. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.